Hello everyone, it's Kimmy from Upflick, and we're grateful for your support and choosing Upflick products. Your feedback matters to us, and in this video, we'll address some common questions. Question 1. How should I clean my bottle for first-time use? Ensuring cleaning of your bottle is necessary before first-time using and after each time you use it for tea or coffee or any other beverage. Residual smells from these drinks can linger in your bottle, affecting the taste of future beverages. So cleaning it in the right way can help to remove the odor and keep your drink always fresh. Step 1. Begin by washing the bottle, lid, and tea infuser with warm water and dish soap. On the left, I have my old bottle, which I've used for over a year. After numerous washes, the engraved text now blends with the bamboo texture. On the right, I have the new bottle. Let's begin cleaning it now. Step 2. For the lid, use 1 spoon of baking soda, and for the bottle body, use 2 spoons of baking soda. Alternatively, you can use a cup of vinegar for the bottle body. Step 3. Pour warm water, 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit, into both the lid and the bottle. Step 4. Allow 15 minutes for the baking soda to absorb into the lid. Then, close the lid, shake well, and let it sit upside down overnight. Step 5. Rinse the lid, bottle, and tea infuser under warm water once again. Dry them on a dish rack, and your bottle is now ready to use. Recommend deep clean with baking soda. Steps 1 through 5, 1 per month. Thank you so much for watching. Happy shopping, happy drinking.